Your success and happiness depends so much on your ability to stay completely focused and present in the moment. I was jumping on a trampoline yesterday with my son JJ and also Zeke, the little guy. JJ is on the left, Zeke's on the right, and we are having a great time. We were out there in total for probably about an hour and a half. My wife, his mother, was going crazy because it was a little chilly out yesterday, not too cold. But either way, we eventually ended up getting inside and watching the Eagles game, and congratulations to them for making it into the playoffs. But during the course of the time I was on the trampoline with JJ, we started out having a great time, and I'm totally locked in, and I'm totally focused, and I'm focused on him, and we're laughing, and we're giggling, and we're jumping on those balls that you guys see in the background, and we're having just an overall good time. But somewhere during the course of our time on the trampoline, I became distracted. I began thinking about everything besides what I was doing with, one of the most important things in the world to me, my 4-year-old son. I began thinking about some bills I had to pay. I began thinking about what I had to do at work on Monday before New Year's. I began thinking about all sorts of different things. And then I looked at him and I saw how happy he was. I saw how engaged he was. I saw how, he wasn't distracted. And granted, he's 4, so he obviously doesn't have the responsibilities that me at 36 with 3 children, married, a job. He doesn't have the responsibilities that I have. But children's ability to just focus and be present in the moment is remarkable, and we can learn a lot from them. Imagine how much more effective and efficient and happy we would be if we were just able at all times to focus on the moment, focus on what is happening right now. When you're at work, you're able to focus on work. When you're at home, you focus on what's going on at home. When you're with your family, you're focused on the family. When you're at the gym, you're focused on the gym. You're not distracted. Your mind isn't wandering. You might be physically present somewhere, but mentally you're elsewhere. Imagine if you had your mind and body working together to be focused entirely on the present moment. The possibilities are endless. I'm beginning to really worry about all this other stuff. JJ, Joshua Joseph, is focused on having a great time with his father. This is where mindfulness comes in too, folks, because I was able to recognize that what I was doing was wrong, and I needed to refocus on the trampoline and spending time with JJ. I was able to snap myself out of being elsewhere mentally and focus back in on having fun with JJ. And that's important too, guys. This isn't a post about mindfulness, but I've posted about mindfulness before, and it's a very useful tool to use to snap yourself back into reality and focus on the present moment. This whole experience reminded me of one of the best cartoons I've ever seen on the internet. Do you know why your dog is happier than you? 2 people, obviously, in a field walking. A person and a dog. This guy right here is focused on all this other stuff: his cars, relationships, bills, making a speech at work, blah, blah, blah. And the dog, guess what the dog's focused on? The dog's focused on the beautiful sunny day, the atmosphere, and what's directly in front of him or her. Can't tell if that's a male or female. So folks, in 2019, let's focus on being present and in the moment. We're going to be more efficient, we're going to be more effective, and we're going to be happier. Happy New Year.